guys, what's up? This is Jyotsna. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is gonna be a testing video. So I'm gonna be testing some weird beauty hacks that I've come across the internet, and let me just tell you, I have so many questions about them. Do they work for everybody? Do they work for brown Indian girls specifically? Do they actually save time? Do they actually come out nice? Does everybody actually use these weird beauty hacks? So as you can see, I have multiple questions, and that's the reason I decided to do a testing video, so that you guys will also get an insight if this actually works. So this is like an Indian brown girls edition. So do support me. You can hit the thumbs up button. All you have to do is go down right below the video. You'll see a like button. Just hit that, and also the red button, which is a subscribe button. This will really encourage me to do more videos and to come up with more interesting and weird concepts like this. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Okay, so I got my laptop out. We're gonna see what the first weird beauty hack is. So this weird beauty hack, which I'm so excited to try out because this one was the best one, is using red lipstick as your under eye dark circle coverage. So basically you use the red lipstick first, and then you use the concealer, and then you blend everything in, and apparently this really works, and a lot of people have tried it, and they've said you can even use orange if you don't have a red lipstick as an option. So I literally look like a devil right now, and I'm just so good at embarrassing myself. So the next one is this concealer. I'm just going to be using this on top of this. So let's see if it works or not. And then I'm using this blending brush to just blend everything. I don't like the fact that it's turning my concealer red, and this is the only concealer I own. So if I really need one, I have to buy one more. Okay, so I'm using a blending brush because I think I applied adequate amount of concealer. Mom, can you not disturb? Mommy, can you not come inside the room? This one is not that bad. I expected it would be worse than this. I think my concealer was a little lesser, and I put too much of red lipstick. So I'm just gonna go and dab a little bit of concealer again. So this one is actually a bit darker because I applied too much, I guess. But let's see. So I did kind of blend it, and I think I took a little longer time than I would when I'm just applying the concealer. But I actually like the result. This one works. But then I don't understand the point. If you do have a concealer, you can just use that and hide your under eye. So yeah, this one works. But again, you don't want to put too much of red lipstick, which I did. That was a mistake. Please try to use a little bit of it, and then you can blend it in with your foundation or your concealer. So I have my eyelash curler and my blow dryer all ready. So let's see if this hack works or not. And oh, by the way, seeing an eyelash curler, I just remembered my new video. Actually my previous video, which was with my best friend Katie, and he did this makeup challenge, and he used an eyelash curler too, which kind of freaked me out. You should totally watch that. It's really funny. So moving on, I'm gonna blow dry this for a few seconds, and let's see if it works. Okay, so I think this is pretty hot. I just don't want to like burn my eyelashes, so yeah, I think it's fine. Let's see if it works. Honestly, this doesn't work. It's It's a fail for me, but I don't know if people actually found this work, or am I doing it the wrong way? Am I supposed to heat it for more than 20 seconds to 30 seconds? I think you'll really burn your lashes if you do that, because it'll be super hot. But I don't find any difference. I find it the same as it would be with using without doing the blow dry trick. So let me know in the comments below if you tried it and if it was a pass for you, because it's a big fail for me. Okay, next one is basically giving more volume to your lashes using a mascara and a brow brush. So basically you take a little bit of cotton, transfer it to your brow brush a bit so that it looks weird like this, and all you have to do is use your mascara and then use a single layer of this and keep doing it until you get amazing volume. So let's test this. Okay, so now I'm using the brush with the cotton.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine.
So this actually works. This gave me a little more volume than I usually get with just using mascara. But one fail thing is that you need to be really careful, because you're gonna get it all over your face. So you have to do it really slow and don't do it terribly like me. But it actually gave volume, so I think this one actually works. So I give this a big thumbs up. Okay, so the next one is using a nail polish and ice cold water. So basically if you dip your nails in ice cold water, it supposedly dries faster than if you don't do it. So let's test this, because this is very interesting. I found this very interesting because I'm always waiting for like 5 minutes till my nail polish dries out. So this one will be super fun. So let's test this. So I'm putting it inside the water. Let's see if it works. And I think I'll wait for like 30 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds. Let's see if it works. Okay, testing time. Let's see. Oh, I'm surprised. It's actually very dried up, and this is glitter, by the way. So you know how glitter takes a lot of time to dry up. And this one, not really. It's still taking time to dry up. So I guess this one works, just because this one was a little faster compared to this one, which was just the normal drying process. But I guess you should keep it for a little more amount of time. I think for like 30 to 40 seconds if it's glitter. I don't know how it works for the normal one, but for glitter you need to keep your fingers for a longer time. But overall this one works, so I'm really happy that this hack worked. So that was it. That was my video on testing weird beauty hacks. I hope this video gave you a bit insight on which one is really effective and which one is not. Comment down below if you have your own favorite beauty hack which is weird but actually works, because I love testing it out. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll come up with new content twice a week. So make sure that you're subscribed and you hit that bell notification button to get all notifications every time I upload a new video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!